Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and has at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions. Next, make sure you know your screen lock PIN or password and MI account credentials because you will be prompted to re-authenticate. Now open Settings, then tap Passwords and Security. Once in, pause to confirm you see fingerprint unlock or face unlock entries because those are the controls you will modify. This sets the stage so you can remove biometric access securely and without losing access to the device. You'll now remove each biometric method individually. Tap the fingerprint or face unlock entry shown in Passwords and Security and authenticate using your PIN or password. Once authenticated, use the Remove or Delete option to revoke that biometric template. Make sure to follow prompts until the device confirms deletion. Repeat for any additional fingerprints or facial data, because Miui stores templates per user. Removing them here prevents future biometric logins while preserving your primary screen lock for access. Finish by checking that the fingerprint and face entries show no templates or display disabled. You should reboot the phone to ensure settings take effect across system services. If the system still prompts for biometrics or prevents removal, sign out of your MI account, then re-attempt deletion after signing back in. Sometimes Cloud Sync restores templates. If you're locked out because you forgot the PIN, use Find Device or MI account recovery tools before wiping, because a factory reset will erase data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.